Hey, so I'm going to show you a few photos of a dress that I created. I did gather most of the materials from Walmart. They're super inexpensive, definitely worth going to go check out if you need some materials for a last minute project. My daughter said that she wanted a dress. Um, she did wear this dress for Halloween, which was really nice. It did take 3 days to make. Mind you, I had a newborn, juggling the baby and my kids, and it was a little hectic, but I did manage to finish it. My mother-in-law did help me with the last bit of tweaking the dress, I should say, and it came out beautifully. I bought the materials for about 20 bucks and the dress came out wonderfully. So I'm going to show you some pictures that I took, excuse me, in the next section. And you guys let me know in the comments what you think. Is it worth making for 20 bucks?